Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, all right, all right. Yes. Hello. Okay. All right. I'm right now just trying to improve the logic a lot. Hmm. This kind of works, but yeah, it kind of works the actual drawing of the cards, but still it should indicate me when I'm winning, which does not work. Okay. Actually, move where am I? No, I was thinking of if I could move where my camera is right now, but nope. Also, let's see if my internet works right now. Okay. What? Yeah, sure. Okay. Mm, hello, hello. Hi. Hmm. Why is it not working? Okay. No, does not work. My cat is going crazy again. The mic, yeah, the mic should be working just fine. That's all right. Um, yeah, I'm having most of the issues right now. I'm having are related to game engine. Yeah, it has so many lines of code. Oh. I gotta play with the cat a little bit. You know, it's mandatory. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay, now I have no cards in my hand. That was previously the issue that they always wanted to give me at least one card or possibly even more. But right now, no cards, and then I can just draw. It still doesn't indicate if I win, but let's. Hmm. I think I think the issue is that after I play the entire deck, it just tells me if I win or not. Nope, it actually does not. Huh, fair enough. I'm not sure why is this. Ah, I'm trying to make the engine as like the game engine as fluid as possible, so it would be very general and work well with like tons of different games. Because I do have example games here. Well, Sevens is a game I'm familiar with. Uh, But for example, here it breaks because there is nobody has any cards in their hands. Okay, let's take all of those and let's just try to build the game with these rules. Let's see if it can just create the game. Okay, but yeah, it is. It cannot. It's so bad. I feel like I'm having tons of issues with the engine. Ah, I don't like it. What the? Why is there like? The code is it's like it's I shouldn't hard code really anything. Oh, why is it not working? I don't know if you can see, but you know, you can see my cat. This is way better. No, I can also watch my cat on the screen. Hmm. Ah, yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I'll quickly go get a drink. All right. Yes, I'm back. Today do we have strawberry lemonade, which is probably one of my favorites. I do also need to do like tons of UI work with this. I don't think this should work. Yeah, it's completely broken. Fair enough. Mhm. Ah, mm. Oh, okay. All right, all right. Mm, wait, handle to action doesn't go. Yeah, well, well. Have I made myself a two? hard of a challenge. Because I really enjoy web development and I really enjoy making games. So I thought like making this would make sense or be feasible. But hello, cloudy gaming. But I feel like it's a bit of a issue or a bit of a challenge more so. I actually changed the. Uh, let's just improve the title a little bit. I'm making right now. I'm trying to make like a platform or an engine or like a web application where you can play like every card game that is like possible, and you could play it. Like you can just type the rules. Let me go back. You could just type the rules here in just a simple text box, and the engine is supposed to like make a completely functional game for you. But it like this is way harder than I thought it would be in my head because it needs to be very like fluid and it needs to be super flexible. So even like right now, I have 3 lines of text, which probably a user won't even write that much. So yeah, I need to still tons of work here, like to. And then like when the user writes the rules here, like if I write a game, solo game, no cards in hand. Ah, nice. Okay, nice. And how? Tell me more about the PC PC game marketplace. Is it like similar to Steam or like how is it different from Steam or Epic Store? Now that this is super simple, like directions for the engine or guidelines. Let's see. Okay, so always when I draw a card, when it's black, it should indicate that I have won the game, and it does not. Ah, goddamn. Ah, okay. Mm. Wait, charging 88% of cut for games make it beyond, like over 100 million. So are you charging like 12%? Wait, already. Okay. I just want to compare like if it's actually coming here after every draw. There we go. That. Oh, it is not. Yes, Steam is heavily saturated. Hmm. Well, I don't really much use Epic Store. because it's basically you can get everything from Steam. But I guess the biggest issues with Steam would be like the publication of the game should be super fluid. Like it should be very easy, and I feel like there's a bit of room for improvement there. Like basically when you want to publish a game, you need to write all those like add the images, etc., etc. I feel like there is still some friction there to be improved. Like it's all right in Steam, but maybe a bit of room for improvement there because it's not very frictionless to add a new game. But also there's a other side that you shouldn't like. There shouldn't be a tons of. Well, no, actually, why not? Yeah, I'm just wondering if you should like restrict what games can be uploaded, but like why should you really restrict unless for security reasons? Of course, like no game that leaks your data, etc. But of course, that's a different thing. Mm, uh, but yeah, it's I don't know what is the cut that Steam takes? Uh, is it 30%? Okay, so it's going down if the game has a high. Okay, but yeah, 30% isn't really that major of a cut. It's quite like I don't think you should go any higher than like 1/3 of the game. Like 33% is quite like the highest you can actually charge in my opinion because 1/3 of the game is in like insane or more than 1/3 of the game is insane. Even 30% is quite much. But Steam is I think the Steam is quite profitable. Yeah, they're this this is I don't I don't know how this is not a monopoly. They have 70% of the market share in United States. Yeah, they have a very high like monopoly. How is this not like 30%? Okay, yeah, okay. Thanks, Cloud. Thanks, Cloud. But yeah, this is quite a lot. Yeah, they do have to pay for taxes and marketing plus a lot more. And I don't think Steam does any. Hey, wait, yeah, that actually could be. But is it fair? I don't know. Like if your platform would have like internal marketing for games that do well, Steam has a little bit of this, but usually like it comes to the front page. But I don't know if it's really marketing. It's just that they're featuring games that are doing well, so they are making more data. Also, like one thing that Steam, like I feel like indie developers have quite a hard time in Steam, especially because you have I think you're supposed to have like 1,000 wish lists even for your game to be considered like. No, I don't mean ads because yeah, I was just thinking that it would be too pay to win to have like ads, but ads that are based on the game's performance, I think are fine on a like a game platform. Mm, but no, the idea I had is this this is like a bit of an issue I have with Steam, like especially with like making new games, making startups. I don't know how do you tackle this issue? Like having 7,000, I mean 7 to 12K, so about 10K wish lists, uh, and then like for the game to get a very good release. Mm, No, I do own some games on Steam, but I don't really play that much on Steam. Uh, or like I mostly play console. I played a few games on Steam, of course, but yeah, mostly in console gamers. So yeah, of course I like Well, I don't like the Monopoly in general. Like Monopoly, I don't think Monopoly should, and like nobody should have a Monopoly because it's not good for the competition. But yeah, regarding this, yeah, Steam is, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. So sorry, I didn't even fully understand what you meant. But this is the thing I have issues because it's very hard for new developers, especially indie developers, to push through this, like to have 10K wish lists. It's a lot. I think it's a lot. I don't know if you can, like, I don't know if I can really help with this because I'm not sure what to do about this. But I feel like this is like a lot of indie games just uh, go down the drain. I mean, go down the drain. Sorry, my accent. So if there could be like any indicator of this, like uh, if how do well, one idea could be that if a game is, if like a very small indie game is mod, and then the duration that people play the game is they like, okay, wait, how do I explain? Okay, Cloudy, wait, let me. So the normal duration of the game, it's like, let's say it's 6 hours, and your application can see that the game has only been bought like, I don't know, 10 to 20 times, but all of those people, or most of the people, have played the game for at least 4 or 3 hours. That indicates that the game is very good, or that the game is like very good because people are playing it so much. So I don't know if like playing time compared to the completion time would should be taken into account because here's all fucked up. But yeah, because I think that's a good indicator, or like one of the indicators if the game is actually good. Like if the game has a completion time of 2 hours and then 20 people buy it and they all played 2 hours or play close to 2 hours, that would indicate that the game is actually quite good. And the same goes other way. If the game completion time is 20 hours or 25 hours, and people are playing it for 15 to 20 hours, that would also indicate that, oh, wait, this game is actually quite good. So I don't know if like, what do you think about that, Cloudy? Mm, like having the yeah, like having the how many hours the game has been played having a more of a bigger role. Yeah, because right now Steam heavily favors like wish list, which is insane. I think there is not enough players, and there's so many good indie games that there's just not enough people wishlisting like 10,000 wish list for every game. Even like my friend just released game on Steam, and I don't think they had. I'm not signed in incognito browser. But I don't think even they had maybe 1,000 wishlists or some hundreds of wishlists. But it's yeah. I don't know. I don't know where you can actually check how many hours people have played the game. Well, here you can say, but yeah, I feel like that should have a bit of an effect on the games and how it's performing. If it's being played a lot compared to the completion time, then that should like give it a higher ranking. Yeah, that's that's all for me on that topic. But yeah. Uh, mm, yeah, ranking. Yeah, yeah, I see what you mean. But there would have to be some sort of balance because like Well, wishlist is also good because wishlist is like you can wishlist games before they have come out, but that shouldn't like be that big of an effect when they get released, because like I feel like the issue with a lot of game developers is that they're very good at coding, but they're so bad at marketing. They're insanely bad at marketing, and they don't really want to market because like they just want to make their game. They just want to code their game. Yeah. Uh, Tinkerit is my it's my own personal business, right? Like which I'm working with a few friends right now. Like which it's yeah, we're at least like right now focusing on building integrations and online stores. But it's not like I also have a 9 to 5, which is different, and then of course this YouTube, and then play any card games, which is you. I know you can see it, play any. Yeah, but Tinker is my own like different startup. It's not really focused on what I'm building right now. Like this is more so my solo startup, and then Tinker is a startup I made with university friends. So yeah, I'm technically part of 2 startups, one with friends and one just by myself. Yeah. Thanks, Nandan. Mm, do you like Claudio? What is the name of the platform, or do you have any like page ready for it, or is it very much in the planning or building phase? Because I think yeah, like the Steam having such a massive market share in the US is it's a bit like surprising because I live in Europe, so that is on me. So I'm not as educated on Steam market share in the US, but it's quite a monopoly. Like they have 75%, which yeah, I don't think any company should have a monopolistic position in any field, because that just like absolutely kills the competition. And if we like the more competition we have, the better products we have for the end user. Ah, I also do need to like I'll do them probably at the end of when this is more so completed, but like I need to make the UIs like UI very no, I don't want to say addictive, but like very compelling, and it should be super enjoyable. Because I was having some discussions in Reddit about like my application and what people want to see in it, and what people think like yeah, what people think about it, like what they want to actually see in it. And one of the biggest comments was that it just needs to look super good and like feel super good. So I need to like add background music. Of course, it needs to like it should be able to be turned off, but also add like sounds, interaction sounds. So if I draw a card, it should have a sound. That is Cloudy. One thing I'm thinking of, because like I made another thing like just a while ago, like trying to create, which is it's helping. Like I think I can wait. I'll just quickly sign in on another. Sorry about that. I'll show you this. Right. What? No. Apparently I cannot sign. Let's just quickly register. What is this? All right. Oh wait. Give me just 2 seconds. Okay, account create. Okay, perfect. Yes. So I just recently made another application called Trying to Create, which the whole point is that you would be able to like gain new ideas based on what other YouTubers have posted. So you would like implement your own channel here, and well, yeah, of course I don't have a demo account right now. I used to have a demo account, but I don't know why it's gone away. But you would like write like 3 to 5 YouTube channels, and then it would give you unique ideas based on based on the last 10 videos and the best performing ones. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like monetization on this one kind of killed the application, because I did get some traffic for it. I can even show you the traffic. It's here's my Safari. Yes, perfect. Let's have this here. Then let's put that on the other screen. Here's my wait, analytics, Google. Yeah. Yeah. But I do think in the year. Well, this is the company. This is the Tinkerit website that you were asking for. This is like analytics for that, but that's not really what I'm after. But yeah, I feel like the monetization killed my other app very much, because it was such like too much behind a paywall. So I would love to like I would of course love to have some kind of a monetization, because it's not free to host it, and especially if I want to have multiplayer on it, so I need to host servers, etc. But this was like my other application. If I look last 28 days, I had it's even actually 60 days. Here I had a massive spike when I like released it, but like I didn't actually get much traffic on. Like I did get traffic on the website, but I didn't get any users, because it was too much behind the paywall, a bit too much. So yeah, I do want to monetize this Play Any Card game, but I do need to think and like be smart about it. Like how do I want to monetize it, so it doesn't like the users are still very much able to use it. So yeah, I want to. Of course, I would need to, because it will either otherwise it will lose money for me. 70K MRR, 15K gamer, so that's all right. And 500. Are the devs like are they somehow locked to your? Yeah, okay, yeah, there are estimations, yeah. Of course. Yeah, yeah, I do want to like going back to the monetization thing. I do definitely want to monetize this, but I need to think like smartly on how to monetize this, because I don't want to have any of the key features behind a paywall like I did with my other application. So you live and learn. About 70K monthly recurring revenue with 15K gamers. That's like $5 per gamer on quick math. Yeah, about like five. Yes. Yeah, five-ish dollars per gamer per month that they are generating to you. So they would need to be making like $15 a month if you are taking 20-30%. Yeah, are the devs somehow locked to your platform, or can they just freely post there and also post on Steam and post on Epic Store? Well, not really Epic Store because they just have Epic Games there, but post on Steam and then your platform, or are they somehow locked to just your platform? Because also one thing like indie developers are. Yeah, of course, of course. But one thing indie developers are a bit worried, of course, that is that the platform has too much power over them. So that's why they want to like distribute their games into multiple platforms. Same with YouTube. A lot of YouTubers distribute their revenue, like revenue streams, because it's how do I say it? Yeah, they distribute the revenue streams because they don't want YouTube to have too much power over them. If you like understand what I'm saying. I need to go get more water, but yeah, I'm still reading the chat. No worries. Yeah. Yeah, like because like of course there needs to be some possibility of that you can like ban or remove games, because if they like for example IP laws, like intellectual property laws, like if a person is making just a replicate of another game, you need to be able to remove it. But then also the developer needs to be able to trust the platform, like because some people like have their income relying on it. So yeah, I feel like one issue with indie developers, which I have I have talked with people about it and then seen online, is that they don't like it when one platform has like too much power over them. So like have you thought about that? Hmm. I think you should allow every sort of game, because uh yeah, oh, uh, interesting. Well, yeah, I think you should, if you want it to go, like if you want to globalize it, then you should definitely allow uh, all the how do you say it? You should definitely allow all games, but of course there will be country-specific rules. Like in some countries, you're not able to uh, play some games, that's just what it is. Like there's not much you can do about it, but like you should allow other countries to be able to, of course, play like horror games. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. No, is Asia a very good market for games? Because I know they're developing quite a lot of games, but is there also like well, there is actually a massive player count in Asia in their own games. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, that is actually an issue. Like a good thing to like think about is that like the geographical differences, and if your game engine or not your game engine, like your like game marketplace, yeah, game marketplace can handle and how it can handle. Oh, can it actually create a game like this? There's perfect. Okay, it doesn't. It tried it best. 4.4. Yeah, it doesn't. It had no. Okay, okay. Good try, but it had absolutely nothing on the table. Uh, game table. There's so much code in this. Like there's actually tons and tons of code in this. Okay. But have you like wait, yeah, Claudia also like what part is the development right now? Like is there what is the running space for? Is it like servers, etc., or what is it for? Because you would also need to like probably have localized servers in different countries, so there wouldn't be much input lag for not really on the marketplace, no, on the games actually. Yeah, because on the marketplace, I don't think input lags really affects that much. Might have because of course if a person is using the marketplace from India compared to like a whole different part of the planet, or yeah, a whole different part of the well, yeah, somewhere else, then would input lag affect how the marketplace is performing? Because if the server is hosted in India or yeah, in India, then uh, would there be a like would the input lag have a big effect? Yeah, yeah, but you know the game is the game. Either you get VC funding and you're able to do things faster, or you don't get it and you're able to do things a lot slower. So you know it is what it is. No, no, not really. No, because I don't like I have time and I don't really want VC funding. I just want to rely on myself, you know. But for an application as big as you, like having a full-on game marketplace, I think VC funding is it's all right. Because you probably also at some point want to hire like people outside of your country or people like, that have like global knowledge in marketplace games. So yeah, depends on the like on the trajectory you're taking it, like how fast you wanna build it. Do you just want to start with your own country and then move to another country, or how do you want to move forward with it? But no, I don't want VC funding at least because I just want to rely on myself. Okay, okay, so they're not really focusing. Yeah, okay. Oh, hmm. Are you? Wait, Claudia, do you know what Volt is? Like WOLT. Are you familiar with that? Okay, yeah. I'm just wondering if it has landed to India yet, but it's a like a massive Finnish company related to, like, just came to mind. It's related to food delivery. It's like, yeah, on Finnish standard, it's very big. 60. Just basically came to mind. But it's now, I think it's now merged with DoorDash. Well, they had a tons of minuses last year, but yeah, and these are like million euros, and then this is uh like profit, which, as you can see, they're only on the minus side, but they are getting tons of uh investment investment funding, so they can do, their economy can be on the downside because they're just getting tons of funding. Yeah, okay, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, I do care about gaming, and I also care about indie developers and like the well-being of those. But I don't know, have you, like, you know what Fire is right now, right? No, I don't wanna. It's forcing. Oh, it's not actually forcing me to chicken. Nope, I don't want to accept cookies either. Fiverr is a place where you can get like remote developers, and but they are mostly, it's like mostly for gigs. So I don't know if you, because you have quite a big thing, so they will actually need to like hire them like full time or for the entire duration. So Fiverr is more so related to like a single job, like a single, you can do this on the weekend type of stuff. Okay, I might be able to, might be able to. But yeah, no, I really want to, like, okay, I can, yeah, I'm from Finland, or Finnish is like, I am Finnish, but I'm a person from Finland. But my of course, like, developers always have a dream game. Mine would be something similar to this. Uh, like the way this game is played. It's very, like, if I would make a game, I would make it like wait, what is the term? It's not. Is it an action shooter? No, it's a hero shooter. It's a hero shooter. Yeah, it's a hero shooter, like, and especially third person like abilities. Like, this would be a game I would make, and I enjoy the Plants vs Zombies art style so much. But it's very easy to understand, but it's also quite comfortable, and also no skill based matchmaking, which I'm not a big fan of skill based matchmaking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Steam is like that. Same is like yeah, Apple's App Store, so which also has a monopoly. Monopoly also takes a 30% cut. But like, this is an actual monopoly because like, there's no other way to put an application on iOS. And even like I have an application Play Store. Can I actually go Play Store here? Yeah, I can. It's something I had like once a day. I just wanted to see the publication process to Google Play. So I made, wait one. It's so hard to find the application. It's oh, oh, give me a minute. Yeah, I forgot a simple word there. It is. Yeah, I made this. As you can see, it's also for Miro trying. But the pages itself, it's not very good. Oh, wow! It has over 10 downloads. Let's go. I don't even know about this. Let's go. It's something. It's not very good, but it's something. But yeah, I just wanted to see the publication process to Google Play. Yeah, Play Store. So I don't know. Yeah, because it's way easier, or it used to be a super easy to get an application here. Luckily, it's not as easy anymore because you need to have a two-week testing period with 14 members, which is only a thing from 2023, so it's very new. But yeah, I just wanted to see the publication process. But for example, for the testers for 2 weeks, I just got them from Fiverr. Okay. Let's see if it actually works now. Oh, it's the backend, isn't it? Oh, what? No, I don't care about this. Did I actually? I don't have the backend on right now, do I? What? Oh, it's interesting. Why on earth is the backend not working? Oh, what? Okay, interesting. Oh, okay. I seem to have some issues with the backend. Maybe I overflowed it a little bit. No, it's not related to restarting the server, but fair enough, we can do that. Oh, yeah. So you have made Cloudy, you have made some games before, right? Mm-hmm. I know it's working, but like, it's still not. That is not working so for some reason. And I don't think it's related to me being here. No, this should. It's okay. It is actually now connecting. Why did I have it? Eesh, it's taking a bit of like too long of a time. Okay, but the cards are not visible on the table. Hmm. Hmm. Damn. This is all fine. Yeah. I want to match pairs, but there's no cards on the actual table. That's all right. That's all right. I guess I need to figure out why this is. And then I guess I can have this feature where it shows like this card is able to be played. I guess I'll just have it uh, on difficulties, but I don't know if I want to have the difficulties in an MVP yet. I think that's just overkill. Well, both. Like I code these softwares with the help of AI. Mm, but also like yeah, it's a big discussion. Like as a developer, I need to be able to use AI, but like AI will never replace me because it will just do the simple things, and I will focus on the more difficult things. So yeah, like I make these softwares with the help of AI. Okay, let's. But you said, Cloudy, that you said that you don't really know how to code, if I remember correctly. But you do have a coder in your like team or a person creating the marketplace for you. There's no card. Yeah, there's still no cards on the table. Eesh. I don't like this. Uh, why is there no cards on the table? Hmm. You know what? I want this for debugging. He's at a sluggish job. What does sluggish job mean? Like a job he doesn't want to be in, or yeah, yeah. What does sluggish job mean? Uh, okay, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. But also like at least a big issue for me is that I'm not as good in sales as I should be. Like I should be way better in sales because sales is also a key, very important like wait, feature character like character feature. Sales is a very important skill to have. Like in our business, like I'm not doing sales here. Like even though I work technically as the CEO, like we have another person like doing sales and customer relations. So like sales is a really important skill to have, and I wish I was better at sales. But it's just very hard for me to like force people like to buy my stuff and like sell my stuff. I don't know why. Yeah, yeah. Decent. Yeah, makes sense. No, but of course, there's also always room for like new ideas and new stuff. It just depends how you validate your idea. I'm just saying hi to the cat. So give me a few minutes. Okay. Yeah, but it's just of course like you just need to like validate your ideas and figure out if people will actually like see it being valuable. No, I'm not really like that familiar with the Steam backend. Not that sure. Uh-huh. Always what? Okay, the cat is having some zoomies. Yeah. Brother, you're on top of it. Yeah, the cat is officially going crazy. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure about the Steam backend. Like I don't fully know how it works. I am getting some progress on this, which is nice. I'm like right now focusing on generalizing the engine. Can I actually just have posted notes? No, but no, I know if it's like this. Not sure if I can like. No, it's just what? No, come on. Uh, why is it doing this? Yeah, then I just need to have. Okay, now I have it working. Then now I will try this. Mm, Oh yeah, very much familiar with AI and blockchain. Yeah, not as much with blockchain maybe as I should be. No, not really. I don't not that's not really my field of expertise. But with AI, yeah, of course. Mm. like in my 9 to 5, I feel like I'm always trying to help people understand it a bit better. Okay, now it should kind of work, I guess. Like example, I don't know, like the font is horrible. The font is way too basic. I need to change the font at some point. What are you doing? Nope, still no cards on the table. Why is this? Table is, it's not showing. It's not showing the cards right now. I know I know it wants, like it has them in the back end. But why is it not? The console logs. Okay, yeah. What? That's clear. Nope. And then, nope. That's not what I want to do. I still need to add like proper routing to this application, because now everything is basically under the same URL. If I go to game library, if I go to newsletter, everything is under the same URL. So I need to like add actual paths at some point. Not really, at least in this phase, not really important. Yeah, it's taking a long time. So I would also need to add an animation for this. Yep. Okay. Because it's if it takes like 10, it just need an animation so the people are like they can wait basically. I don't know if they're nowhere like hidden or anything. No, there is still the yeah. And um, uh, do you mean bootstrapped or botstrapped? I think you mean botstrapped. I mean bootstrapped. And this like having the AIs help so much with being able to I thought that the AIs help so much with like bootstrap, because previously you needed a proper team for everything. You needed a team for marketing, the financials, coding was a big thing, but now the AI helps a lot with that. Like uh, of course, like the big thing is, do you know how to use the AIs? Like, but I've seen a lot of people like, I think you can read a bit from starterstory.com, but like a lot of people have been able to complete their businesses just by themselves, like even after hours, because of AI, because of like these applications where you can create, or like these code writers like Visual Studio Code, etc., where you can write the code. So I think I think AI has done a massive help on that, because like now, like AI is like it related to marketing. Of course, AI cannot come up with new marketing ideas. It can't, like AI does not create new ideas. It just It uses existing data. It tries to create like new ideas basically with the existing data, but it honestly it cannot create new ideas. So of course it will not be as good as a real marketer, and of course AI will not be as good as a proper coder. So there is some you need to do there's some compromises on that field. But definitely having the accessibility so easy with AI, having being able to access the multiple tools, it helps a lot. Like it helps a lot that you're able to get your idea off the ground and possibly get first paying customers, which then you can reinvest back into the business to make it grow more. Mm, So with like normally a marketer is considered like a master of their craft. With AI, you are a bit of a jack of all trades, but a master of none. So you know a bit of everything, and with the help of AI, you can validate your ideas and know a bit more. So I think you are able to create an okay slash decent slash maybe even a good startup with AI. But of course, having an actual team, the result is always going to be a bit better. But that's just like there's at least now nothing we can do about it. But bootstrap, like doing things bootstrap is way easier now than it was 10 years ago. And there's so much concrete evidence on this matter. Yeah. For example, yeah. Um, Can we utilize AI at minimal level to get the store? Yeah, I think you can generate the basics of the store with AI. I think you can definitely create the basic functionalities of the store with AI. But I'm not sure how much AI can help with like the outside markets. Yeah, I'm not sure how much it can help with that. Why is this? Yeah, but I think you can definitely create the with the landing page and the basics of the marketplace. I think you can definitely create with AI. Like get a MVP or a one term people is using is most lovable product. So your key features are working very good. I think you can get that done with AI. And especially they just released like GPT-5. Like there's models coming every 2 weeks. There's a new model from Cloud or GPT-5, and then latest Cloud model. It's 4.1. Right now I'm using 4.0, and it's very good. I think I'm using actually 4. Yeah, I'm using this one. Yeah, it is actually quite good. Mm, so yeah, having the access to the latest language models is quite important because the quality between GPT-3 and GPT-4 is massive. Yeah, the quality between these two models it's quite a lot. Mm. Oh, no, big screen. And then yeah, I want to have a leaderboard here at some point. So I want to like people like maybe I want to have people the people who play the most, and I don't really want to have people who win the most because you can just generate games here that you can easily win, but the people who play the most and the games that are being played the most. Yeah, start creating. Oh, I know what I can do or related to. Thanks for the idea, Claude. I just had an idea related to the marketing thing. Uh, Not the marketing, but monetization. Yes. And no, still absolutely no, nothing. Uh-huh. Oh no, I need to empty the console. I forgot. My bad. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, it's a lot of stuff in the console. It's way too much stuff. Maybe it's everything for mini. Yes. And then I want the game table here. So. Uh-huh. Because I just have. Wait. What? Okay, I have restricted the layouts of the tables, like yeah, the layouts too strictly. Yeah, I need to have so many layouts here where you can place the cards. It should be fine. Should be good. And then at one point, I do need to make this available for mobile, which is just styling. Like I just want to get the engine working and then make it like doing the styling is just like way easier than getting the actual engine working. Uh, Wait, what time is it? Yeah, I do need to go eat at some point. Like maybe I'll stop the stream when it's about 2 hours or something. Oh, no, I don't. It's doing too much. I'm just debugging the application right now. That's basically the thing I do all the time. Oh, and one thing, Cloudy, about monetization is that just came to mind actually is that maybe like how do you say it? Like wait, what is the term called? Like it's not pay to win, but like skins, for example. Like you would have brand new cards, brand a background. You could change the view of the website when you sign in. That could be one thing that could be monetized. So the core feature is still existing, but like the like you could change how it looks with money. That is one thing that I could have as monetization, so it doesn't affect the actual uh, mm, mm, the actual functionality of the game. Oh, what? How did I lose a word? Yeah, the function. It would not affect the functionality if I just have it. Uh, I wish I could, Claude. I have way too many plates. Yeah, I wish I would have, because I'm already working at my own startup. So yeah, I just uh, I just don't have time. Sorry about that. I wish I did. There's so many like new things and exciting ideas I would love to join, but yeah, sorry about that. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, there's no ability to peek yet, and it's very much in the way. It's all right. It's all right. Like, but I know at least I had the cards here now. Let's go. Come on. Damn, this is nice. This is very good. Yeah. All right. All right. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Yeah. 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 I like because even now I have another idea, another startup. Well, probably most the company I put most time is just my day-to-day life actually, which is it's a company called Tietoevry. It's just a like a software company, but it's like this is massive. But yeah, this is I work like I work 4 days a week, and then on Wednesdays I just do my own stuff, and then on the weekends and afternoons I also do my own stuff like YouTube, which I'm very passionate about. Right now, I'm a bit, I don't know what to do with YouTube right now, but this is the company I'm working right now, which is like, it's quite massive, as you can see. Like, these are all like millions, and we have like a lot of people working here, so it is still very good. But that's probably I spent 4 days there, like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Wednesday I'm working on my own stuff, and then uh yeah, probably that, and then after that, my own stuff is very much the thing I'm working on most. My YouTube channel, which well, I cannot sign in because I'm on incognito. But the one that you're actually watching right now, I don't know if you have yet checked out the channel or subscribed, but thanks for having it's been very nice chatting with you. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't know why this really necessary. But yeah, my dream cloud would be like that I would be able to work for myself and just make enough money that I'm able to do YouTube and to do these applications like just code and do this for myself. So that is really the dream I'm aiming for. But little by little, it's not a sprint. It's a marathon. Oh yeah, thanks Claudia for subscribing. Thank you so much. That is that is very nice. Very nice of you. There are 16 cards on the table. It's okay. The game is still not playable, but at least it's creating the game, which is a lot. That's also very good. Okay. Now what do I do next? Yes. That's also yeah. I might need to like fully configure all of these like example games because these games were created before I had made tons of like changes to the engine. So a lot of these games just don't work anymore. Like even the Black Card Challenge probably doesn't work. Actually, it does. Let's go. Damn. Come on, let's go. It actually works. Huh. I'm very happy about this. Okay, the animation is uh it's way too much. Like I know this is way too much, but damn, I'm so happy it actually works. Because it's just a silly. It's such a silly game I was able to create, but it actually works. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, I actually just got a new idea related to YouTube. Actually, I got two ideas. Yeah, let's go. I just got a few YouTube ideas. Damn, it actually, I'm so happy it works. Let's go. I know the animation is still needs tons of work because it's way too much in your face. Okay, now I'm not winning. Wait, just give me a black card. There we go. Let's go. Oh, I'm so happy it actually works. Because this is like a super simple game. It's like one of my I have a few test games, like three I think, which I'm like trying to really push the limits of this engine. Yeah, I'm so happy I'm able to like because this is actually now a working game. I know it's a stupid game, but it's a working game. So you know that is already quite something. Wait, I need to look for a thing. There we go. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with this. Being able to get this to work. Yeah, okay, let's go. This is a win. I have a cat, so there's cat hair absolutely everywhere. Ah, let's go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, there's still tons of games I need to create, and of course, like I could add like betting and chips, like chips to this at some point, but I don't know, not really my interest right now. But let's go. Let's freaking go. I'm very happy about this. Come on. Oh wait, where's that screen? Yeah, come on. Why did it go all of a sudden like this? Oh, so happy with this. But yeah, did you, Claudia, already like did you check out the game website? Because you can go there, the URL to play any card game.com, and you can like sign up for the newsletter. I'll release it, like I'll let people know when it's completed. So, you know, I would appreciate if you sign up for the newsletter. Of course, I'm not forcing you or anything, of course. But I'm trying to get like a lot of people to sign up for it. This is the same issue related to like Steam wish lists, basically. Yeah, I do need to advertise it at some point. Also, like I suck at marketing. I wish I was better. But you know, you live and learn, you practice. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Claudia. Thank you so much. Oh, and I don't know. I don't think you answered, but how is the how is the yeah? Do you like already have some address or something for the marketplace? Like, do you have like a I don't know sign off form or something, or is it like at what phase is it right now? Is it in a planning phase or like yeah? What phase is it right now? But yeah, let me know if you can sign for the newsletters. I would much appreciate it. Much appreciate it. Okay, okay, just before developing. Okay. Mm, related to the development, like as a developer, you should have like a proper plan and also tons of testing for an application size that you're trying to build. Like testing is absolutely required or absolutely mandatory. But yeah, perfect. But yeah, thanks. Thank you for signing. If you already did. I'm not sure if you did already sign it. Sign up for the newsletter. 'Cause, yeah, I'm trying to trying to get a lot of people on board with this. But yeah, play any card game.com. Okay. Yeah, of course. Like, of course, you can like reach me if you need any feedback with the marketplace. And I feel like I have already given you some feedback, so I hope it can be of help. Mm, I'm also yeah. I'm not, okay. Give me let me open the. Okay, it's fully empty sub game. Hmm. Yes. Okay, now it's a bit interesting because like the memory grid is all the way here. It's basically not on the actual game table. But that's a styling issue which I feel figure out later. Oh, I need to go to eat at some point. I'll probably go eat in like 15 minutes, so I'll end the stream there. But hmm, I actually have quite a like a wide screen as my display, so that's why I'm like I need to move my head from here to here and here to here, so it's a lot of neck movement. Oh wait, one thing I really want to do is hmm, yeah, one thing I want to do is have a like here at the bottom, like just have a pop-up of a feature request. I'm not actually sure where this one takes. Where the features oh, it just takes up. Yeah, because it has no link yet. Yeah, because it's yeah. But I just here features. I just want to have a pop-up where you can have your email, uh, and then just write the message there basically. Wait, I'll actually make it soon. Uh, mm, there you go. Okay. But Claudia, you also mentioned that, if I'm not mistaken, you mentioned that you created a game at some point. Am I wrong? Or at least you said something about game pages or something. So what kind of I'm interested in what kind of a game you created. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Okay. Is the game like out, or is it just did you never manage to publish the game? Because I already have the server. Wait, which one? Jimmy server? When is this released? June. So it's last, but it's quite new. Uh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, because you cannot upload horror games. Yeah, in India. India, I think you're. Okay, yeah, yeah. Damn, that sucks. LLM Kings, I guess. Then open router top this month, I suppose, and decline, and then coding is the one, or programming. Yeah. Where is Gemini 2.5 Pro? It's here. Yeah, as you can see, related to the LLM models, it's like difference is huge. I can also paste the link in the chat, but like this is, I think, not sure if actually if this is all time or okay, yeah, it's from it's April. It's 21st of April. Sorry, it's in a different language. My bad. I, can I change the language? Nope, because it's location based. So from like past, I think this is like past 4 months maybe. You can clearly see the how much what is being used most. Like right now, close to our date, Qwen is actually being used right now second most. Or yeah, Qwen is being used. Others is also a big part. Qwen and then like Gemini Pro, and they are only being used this much. But as you can see, Claude is massively. It's 30%. It's one third of the models used for programming. So this cloud could be a very good thing. And here you can also see for marketing and SEO, the model being used most is Gemini 2.5 Flash. I don't fully understand what you meant by it. Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't use. Yeah. That's also like fair enough. But yeah, at least like in my 9 to 5 job. Yeah. But in my 9 to 5 job, like I'm also almost like everybody uses. So we have our own model we're using. So it's like in computer science, it's very normal to have like to use uh, these models, at least in Finland. Like most companies actually assume that you are using what? What the fuck? No, that's not at all. Why is the get started all of a sudden so weird? Nope. Because it's somewhere there's the width of this. No, is it just because it's taking? Yeah, because it's displaying all. Yeah, it's way too large as you can see. Later call to action. It's max width should be like 20%. Yeah, okay, that's way better. I'll quickly change that. Yeah, at least on what? Also on mobile. Wait, I have no idea how this looks on mobile. Let's just quickly. Yep, let's ignore this part. Let's not focus on that right now. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah, the mobile has not been optimized yet, and I will mostly do all the styling stuff like just later, just way later. Max. Now I wanted to have max with 30%. No, nope, 20. 20 is way better. Yeah, 20 is as it now it's like it's good enough. All right. Perfect. Uh, yeah, that's perfect. I already have it. That. Yeah. Yeah, it's there is of course like risks related to using like chatbots, but also like going back to what I previously mentioned, I think chatbots are a massive help in like being able to develop like bootstrapped like just by yourself without any funding. So it makes it a lot easier to develop like with chatbots if you have no funding. So that is something to take into consideration. Examples, and then I should have. Nope, it's not here. It's actually. Why on? It's so ugly. Oh, okay. I need to change that. Okay. All right. All right. All right. I have it here. Because it's. Was it added up? Fair enough. No. Okay. Now it goes into here. Okay. It's not definitely in the middle. It's all right. It's all right. I'll figure out. No. 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 That's not all right. That's perfectly not actually all right. Nope. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's the thing I also mentioned about like marketing is that like chatbots will never come up with anything original. They will just refactor and recycle already existing content, so they will not come up with anything original. So you know, uh, that's good thing to think about. Uh, and then I'll add this here as well. Okay, perfect. Uh, I think I know Quarry. I think I know the game. Yeah, it's from 2K. It's a horror game. It's similar to it's I know it's similar to this one because I'm not sure if this is also developed by Qt. No, it's something else. But this is I think Quarry is somewhat similar. At least the art style is super similar. But yeah, it's like a horror game, I think. No, wait. I think the art style is just similar to Friday the 13th. But I'm not sure if it's actually if the game is actually also. Well, yeah, also the gameplay is similar. It's filmed from this angle compared to, and this is also filmed from this angle. And not angle. Nice, nice. Yeah, but yeah, there's tons of good games, tons of good games that should have. Uh, okay, perfect. Now I'm back to my existing stuff. I can remove that. No, don't do that. And then should be and maybe now I'm able to request it. No, it's where on earth is it here? I want it centralized. No, it's no, but it's not. How is this 50%? How does it think that this is actually 50%? How on earth? What? Wait, is there somewhere there's somewhere max width? I know. Yeah, this has something. Yep, something is wrong with this one. So now it would be nope, still in the middle. Yeah, that's if I actually have. Let's just split this to half, and then this one also, and then these ones. Now it was more closer to the middle. So yeah, there is an issue I have, which I need to. Yeah, perfect. Mm, because it's yeah, I know, yeah. And actually, like fun thing is, I'm sure you know this game probably. It's a mobile game, but like this game, Clash Royale. Start the I already have the back server on. Okay, fair enough. Let's just do it again. Yeah, there's just like triple A games are just trying to make uh just making profit, which it's of course a company needs to make. Yeah, Clash of Clans was way bigger, but yeah, Clash Royale is actually this is developed by developed by Finnish. It's a Finnish company, but like right now there has been tons of complaints like this has become such a like a cash grab, and like it's a very much pay to win. Like if I the company that is making this, but so yeah, the game is a bit. It's like it's a bit lost its soul because it's very much just yeah, it's like insane numbers. It's 1.7 billion. I think it's billion. it's translated, so it's like 1,700 million euros. It's the how much traffic they have, and then this is the profits, which it's gone down last year. I'm not sure why. I'm not that yeah, but it has recently became quite a cash grab. Okay, now I just need to feature the feature request. Then I'm not sure if this actually. All right. Let's fix this. Is it actually in the middle? It's here. Yeah, here's definitely not where it's supposed to be. Why can I not just have it at display flex? No, no. No. No, come on. Sorry. Just trying to do a bit of CSS. Display flex. Justify from the center. Oh no, it's horrible. Nope, it's so bad. Yeah. Of course, it's like the parent company who owns them. Of course, wants to make as much profit as they can. So, but it's just yeah, they got like as you can see, I showed you the numbers. There is tons of money involved, but it's just sad, I guess. Why is it not actually in the middle? No, I don't think. No. These are not. I don't like pixels max with. Uh, no, no pixels, please. Should be like. Right, that's fine. And then. Yeah, now it's in the middle. Perfect. How it's working now. Uh, but now the stuff inside of it. It's like the body, it should have a lot more, maybe like 2.5, 3.5. Why is there so much extra space on that side? Wait. Ah, this is actually overflowing because it's supposed to be of 90. Yeah, okay, that's overflowing. I have somewhere I have width set up as, yep, it's here. Perfect. Now it's very much in the middle. Of actually, it's not because it's oh, I just need to what? What if I just have this comment out? No, okay. Now it's kind of in the middle. I don't. This doesn't work. I just yeah, fair. Something. Yep, because there's not an actual backend. Oh, I'm already. I have streamed already for 2 hours and 15 minutes. I need to go. I need to go eat something. But yeah, thanks, Claudio, so much for like being so interactive, and it's been very nice chatting with you. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching there. And if you have anything in mind you wanna say before I end the stream, I would be happy to hear. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, actually, thank you a lot for signing up for the newsletter. I appreciated that a lot. So thank you so much. And yeah, if you can just connect me if, if you have anything in mind related to the marketplace, the games marketplace. Yeah, if anything comes to mind, just let me know. And this is like tons of the code I've been working on. And if you can see like Git status, I have like so many files here. Yep, this is all the files I've been working on. And where to request game table modal and then fluidity. Yes, and then yeah, 1,500 insertions and with also 14 deletions. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you wanna sign up to my newsletter at playanycardgame.com, that would be much appreciated. So yeah, it's just playanycardgame.com, and you have it here. Yeah, and you can just sign up to my newsletter, and much appreciated. So yeah, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And now I also have this fucked up. Yep, I'll fix this later. Damn, I'm not happy actually. Nope, I'm not happy with it. Nope, I cannot have that. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, I see. Yeah, because this is the issue. I have this I'm supposed to have that at 100. So I'm also supposed to have this at 100. So yeah, okay, now I can stop. Yes, perfect. Okay, thanks and bye.